When you think of household vacuums, you probably think of Dyson or Shark. You're probably not considering Ryobi, but Ryobi do have a line of vacuums that are designed for inside. They use the same 18-volt platform as their other 18-volt tools, so it means you could just use the battery you already have. You don't have to have a separate charger or anything else. It means you can use the same power tool batteries on your power tools as your vacuum. Vacuum has a nice handle at the top here. It's nice and light, it's not too heavy, has an on button here, has an eco button, and then you have the ability to turn off the brush on the bottom. Now this doesn't have an anti-tangle brush head on it, so it is going to get hair trapped inside there. Something I really like is the bin. You can remove the bin without taking off any of the rest of the vacuum. Really like that. A lot of vacuums nowadays you have to remove the end of the vacuum before you can get to the bin. It means you can leave it intact. Really nice height. It also comes with two attachments. You have this brush attachment here, and then you have the crevice tool, and they just sit on the side of the vacuum here, or you could leave them somewhere else. Down the bottom, you do have a 9-inch motor head. It's a little bit smaller than some other vacuums, but it does a really good job at clearing. And you can see here how much hair I've got stuck in here, so I will have to clean this off at some point. But they make that really easy to clean because on the edge here, you just undo this little nut here, and then the brush will come out. To change attachments, you just press this button down here and then pull it off. The vacuum has three features that I like. The dustbin removing without having to take the rest of the vacuum apart. The second thing is it's standing up by itself. Look at this. You don't have to worry about putting it up against the wall or anything. It can hold itself up. And the last thing, it has a light, making cleaning really easy. Once you have a light on the end here, it highlights all the dust and crumbs that you still have on your floor that's left to vacuum. Overall, this Ryobi vacuum is excellent. It's got some great features. It's got a lot of power for clearing carpets, and it works really well on hardwood floors or vinyl. Really like that. A little bit narrower head, but that's not a problem. It still cleans just as well. Having a light makes it really handy. And then having the ability for it to stand up by itself, I just really like that. So if you're looking for a good quality vacuum to get to replace some of your more expensive models, I recommend you get this Ryobi 18-volt stick vacuum.